Hi everyone, it's Alpha Media UG with a monetization update in regards to why the RPM and CPM are no longer showing in YouTube Studio. So as of now, when you go to the revenue analytics, you notice that you can only see the estimated revenue, but you can no longer see the RPM and CPM metrics as it used to be. Now this is affecting both the YouTube Studio of the desktop version and also for those using the YouTube Studio app, and it's for both the channel overview and also for individual videos. So when you check your videos also, the revenue analytics only show the estimated revenue but do not show the RPM and CPM metrics. So now why this is happening is because you all remember that last year there was an update that was made in regards to the new YouTube Shorts Fund, and they were like, revenue sharing for Shorts ads will begin on February 1st, 2023 for those who sign the appropriate agreements beforehand. So this announcement was posted in the Earn section, which used to be the monetization section in both the YouTube Studio of the desktop version and that in the YouTube Studio app. So under Shorts feed ads, when you click view, that's where you'll find that update. So now, since we are already in February, it means that our YouTube Studio is working on the new interface of the Creator Studio due to this new update. So it means on this new interface, you'll see a content performance for your long form videos and shorts videos. So when you go to Analytics and then under Revenue, so instead of having the RPM and CPM show in the Revenue Analytics, so now the new interface is that these metrics can be seen just below the data analytics for your revenue. So when you scroll down under the revenue analytics, you will see content performance that separates the performance for both long videos and shorts, and that's where you'll be able to see the RPM. So instead of the RPM showing together with the estimated revenue, it is now separated under the content performance. And it's under this where you'll be able to see the RPM for the channel overview. So for individual videos, you're just going to click see more, and then you'll be able to see your listed videos together with their estimated revenue, the views and the RPM. So that is for the section of the RPM. Now for the CPM, it has also been separated on a different tab. So what you're going to do, you go to your analytics still of revenue, and then just below you click see more. So still here it will be able to bring the general overview. So you're just going to scroll down and then you'll be able to see the estimated revenue and the playback CPM of both the channel overview and for individual videos. So in case you've been wondering what has been happening, so it's not a glitch, it's just a new feature that has been rolled out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.